Hello everyone. So welcome back. Today we are going to start with the topic introduction to the Replit. Okay. So whenever you started something new thing like programming or started to using the laptop your first time, you must be familiar with the operating system you are using. Like that, when you started to do programming, you must be familiar with what type of compiler you are using, and you must be familiar with the environment of the compiler. That where you should give command and where you will get the output. Okay. So without wasting time, so let us dive into the topic. So in today's world, I will just open my browser and you will see how I am doing it. You must see that. Have an eye on my. Okay. I will open my browser. You can see that. Okay. I will type what I will type. replit.com. Okay. I have typed that. You will see this page on your screen, okay, on your terminal whenever you are browsing. I will suggest that browse simultaneously with me. It will also help and it will also reduce your time. Okay, it will utilizes your time. You can do some other things in your free time. Okay, you must do simultaneously with me. That's my message to you. Okay. You might be thinking that in the previous in 80s and 90s, not 80s and 90s, in previously there need to be some, we have to install something and there is a hectic process for installing the software, okay, in your laptop. But nowadays, thanks to the internet we have, we can directly code online and save it into our drive. Okay, and that's all due to the technology. Okay, so let's go. Click on start creating here. Okay, I have create. Okay, I have click on start creating. As my profile is already built, it is being showing like this. I will click on create triple. Okay. Firstly, I will show you how to create your profile. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. I will log out from this profile. Okay, now you can see that I am clicking on start created. Okay, you will have two option, create a Ripple account. As all the students that are watching my video, of course they have their Google account. I will simply say continue with Google. Okay, they will give you sign in options. Okay, I will continue with whatever the Google account you have. Okay, you have to choose. Okay, now you will see the screen that I'm watching right now in front of me. Okay, go to the create ripple. Okay, which programming language you are choosing? Of course, Python. I have chosen the Python here. Here some combinations of system generated word, that is a title given to you. There is a system generated combinations of any words. Okay, I will just erase that and I will write first code here. Okay, our first code. Yeah, I will write first code here. Okay, create Ripple. So what is meant by Ripple? Ripple means you are creating a repository. So what is the repository? Don't headache yourself. Okay. It is simply where it is a repository is something that where you write your code. Okay. Just understand right now. That is not a part where we should go right now in this video. We will up in upcoming weeks. We will deal with that. What is exactly repository means? Okay. Uh, so so start with simply write your first code. This is the where you write your command. This is where you will get your output. Okay, simply understand first that. Okay, this is where you will write your code. This is where you will get your command. Okay. Okay, so I will write simply print. Okay, wait a minute. Print hello. Okay, I will write this simply print hello. Okay, I will run this command and you will see in output you will get hello printed. Okay, you can see that the hello is printed. Okay, so those who are new to technology or new to programming, they might be saying how this actually happens. You write well there hello and you will get hello on the other side. It is where you give command to your computer, you talk with your computer that please print for me a hello word. The computer respond with hello printing. Okay, print means showing on your screen. Okay, just simply understand that. Okay, showing on your screen. Okay, so hello getting printed here. I will just do some more words. Hello, namaste. Okay, suppose I write namaste India. Okay, Namaste India is getting printed there. Okay, so this time you can always try to expose whatever you want to print. If your this is your first program, try to write print anything, print any type of uh, any type of language. Okay, that you talk with your friends. Okay, like any type of fall words also. Uh, I'm not going to write here because it is a public video. Okay, so I will write print instead of writing anything text. I will use. Okay, I will show you. You will get to know what I'm actually doing. The star is getting printed here. Okay, and you see the star is getting printed here. Okay, the star of course is getting printed here. Okay, now what will I do? I will simply start it to print like this star. Just copy. um I'm making my work hard, okay, my life hard, okay, because I will do it automation. I can do it in automation, but I am not doing it because you need to learn it from scratch. Okay, so let me say, give here second line will have 2 star, third line will have 3 star, fourth line will have 4 star, fifth line will have 5 star, not 5 star. It is not a 5 star of hotel I'm talking about. Okay, 5 star, and it will have a 6 star. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it is having 6 star. I will print. I will run the command, and you can see that there is a staircase effect. You can see that the staircase are there happening here. Okay, so absolutely I can do something very much another type of just opposite of staircase. Okay, opposite staircase. What will I do? I will simply delete this. Wait a minute. I will simply delete this. I will give 3 spaces here. Okay, I will give 2 spaces here. I will give 1 space here. Okay. Now you can see just opposite staircase can be printed out in the console section. Okay. Okay. Suppose I have a lot of time this evening. I started to. Okay. I have a lot of time this evening, and I started to do a lot up to 10 lines. Okay. But that does not go help you with daily life or real life programming. Okay, you need to automate some things. Okay, you need to automate the things to start with coding or to have a job. Okay, you must know automation of coding. Okay, that exactly we are going to learn in this playlist. Okay, we are going to learn how to automate programming. Okay, I can automate these things, but I cannot introduce that topic right now because it is a topic that I should discuss in forthcoming weeks. Okay, because it is a ahead topic for you if you are new to programming. Okay, I've just recorded this video to give you the introduction of where we will do the programming exactly, which platform we are using, and how to sign up. And we have done our first code. Congratulations, you have got up to here. Okay, so please subscribe, please share with your friends, and like the video and comment whatever you feel. Okay, that's all. I'm ending up here.